What's up, peeps? I'm making this video right here because I was having this problem, and it happened to me during a wedding to the point where I actually had to use my smaller console because I thought there was something wrong with my console. So this is the error. This is what I'm talking about right here. I use Virtual DJ, and I'm using Virtual DJ 2021. All right. So I'm getting that problem right there. See, error, and it doesn't do anything. The song is loaded. I'm gonna change the song. Oh, it's not even loading. Oh, there it goes. It's loaded and everything. But if you press play, it won't play the song because the driver is on an error. See? And this started happening again. Oh, there it goes again. It fixed itself. But I'm going to show you how can you manually fix this. Now it's still not working. Oh no. Yeah, it's working now. But I'm going to show you how to manually work it. It's working now because I already fixed it in the back. I already found out what the problem was. So this is a problem. For some reason on Virtual DJ 2021, your driver, if you go to your audio settings and go to sound settings, this right here, your input, for some reason goes into line. For mine goes to line 3 on my Pioneer. See? Probably if you have a different type of Pioneer, if it's doing that, just go to the original computer driver for the input. You don't need that input there unless you're using your computer for the microphone, but nobody does really. So once you do that, you go back again, and what you do is you just deselect your mixer and then select it again, and then the driver starts working. For some reason that when it selects the input, the driver stops working. But now once you do that, the driver starts working again. See? Oh, let me apply it. Where are you, mouse? Come on. All right, it's applied. I'll close this. Oh, well, it's better if you close it and open it again. Close your settings. Just open Virtual DJ again. I was having this problem a while back ago with another mixer, with my smaller mixer, and I even made a video of it, and it, for some reason the problem came back with the new version of Virtual DJ. You might not be having this issue. See, there it is, but it's because I already selected. You might not be having this issue, but if you do, try that. Like I said, for me, I actually went to a wedding and then it started doing it, and I completely forgot about that, and I didn't have the time to actually troubleshoot it or look at it, so I ended up just using my other mixer, my backup. But here it is. Let's see.
Come here, baby.
Let's turn it down so Facebook doesn't. There it is. There it is. So, yep, that was the issue. Again, if you're having the error issue with a Pioneer DDJ SZ2 with Virtual DJ 2021, where you're having the error on the driver, go to your sound settings and deselect the microphone. On sound settings, deselect the Pioneer microphone. Put it on the Sound Blaster or whatever your computer has. Turn get out of a virtual DJ, turn it off, turn it back on, and that will solve your problem. All right? Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions later.